One Up on Wall Street, by Peter Lynch, is a book that provides insights and strategies for individual investors to identify and capitalize on investment opportunities. Here is a concise overview of the book's chapters. 1. Preface. The author introduces his background and experience as a successful investor and discusses his approach to investing. 2. Investment Precepts. This chapter presents Lynch's investment principles, including the importance of doing thorough research, investing in what you know, and having a long-term perspective. 3. The Making of a Stock Picker. Lynch shares his journey and experiences in becoming a successful stock picker. He discusses the importance of developing one's own investment style and being independent-minded. 4. The Wall Street Oxymorons. The author criticizes certain practices and beliefs on Wall Street and encourages individual investors to take advantage of the opportunities created by institutional biases and inefficiencies. 5. The Perfect Stock. Lynch explains that there is no such thing as a perfect stock. He discusses the various types of stocks and emphasizes the importance of understanding a company's fundamentals before investing. 6. The 2-Minute Drill. This chapter highlights the importance of conducting initial research and quickly assessing the potential of a company. Lynch shares his approach to conducting a rapid evaluation of a stock. 7. Is this a good market? Lynch discusses the nature of stock market cycles and advises investors to focus on individual stock selection rather than trying to time the market. 8. Some Famous Numbers. The author explains how to interpret and use financial ratios and numbers to evaluate a company's financial health and investment potential. 9. Some Pointers on Dow Investing. Lynch provides insights into investing in Dow stocks and highlights the opportunities and risks associated with this approach. 10. The Mutual Fund Omnipotence. This chapter discusses the advantages and disadvantages of investing in mutual funds. Lynch provides advice on selecting and managing mutual fund investments. 11. The Final Checklist. The author shares a checklist of key factors to consider when evaluating a stock, including the company's competitive position, management quality, and growth potential. 12. The View from the Front Porch. In the final chapter, Lynch encourages individual investors to take an active role in managing their investments. He emphasizes the value of patience, discipline, and staying informed about the companies in one's portfolio. Each chapter in One Up on Wall Street provides practical insights, examples, and strategies for individual investors to apply in their investment journey. By following Lynch's principles and advice, readers can develop a better understanding of the stock market and improve their chances of achieving successful investment outcomes.